Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can simply invite friends in Among Us. So there are a few ways how we can do it. Just click create a game, and when I'm going to create a game, right, I'm here and I have this code here. So what you want to do is like send this code to your friends of PQMQXQ, and your friends needs to do one thing. Let's leave the game. They need to enter the code right here and then just start playing, and they will be automatically added to your game. So this is pretty much how you do it, and this is how you can make it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is how you can invite friends to your game. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you.